Hey FitFam, I hope you'll join me on Friday at 8:30 to learn a little bit about Google Analytics. I put this workshop together because I've talked to dozens of operators who say, yeah, I have analytics, but I never look at it. Or I think I have analytics, but I don't really know how to use it. Or my favorite, well, I'm spending a bunch of money revising my website, buying ads on Facebook or Instagram or Snapchat or Google search, and I don't know if any of it's working. Well, I have some very good news for you. Google, who knows a ton about you, also knows a ton about your business, and they'll share with you a lot of what they know. Analytics is the platform for that. It's surprisingly simple to install, simple to use, and can give you some quick and easily accessible insights to help you run your business better. Whether you're an owner, a marketer, personal trainer, you should attend this workshop. Here's what you're going to learn. First, you're going to get a sense of where your traffic is coming from. Next, we'll walk through what analytics can share with you about who those customers are, where are they located, which pages do they visit most often, and what are they clicking on when they're visiting my site. For those of you that don't have analytics, we'll do a quick session on what's required to set it up. It's super simple. If you have a WordPress site, it's easily implemented. If you're working with a template, like a Squarespace site or something like that, there are also plugins for analytics. And all of this stuff is free. I hope to see you on Friday morning at 8:30.